Hey Punch Fitters! This is Aneta Hunter, owner of Punch Fit, and in Workout 15, we'll be alternating between movements with Slam Ball and BoxMaster. Here are the movement standards. First movement is ball slam. Keep your back straight, drive through your heels, explode up, raise the ball above your head. Once the ball is above your head, send your hips back to generate force and slam the ball on the ground. The next movement is Slam Ball jumping jacks. Start with the ball at your chest, feet under your hips. In one movement, press the ball overhead and feet go out a little wider than shoulder width apart and repeat. The next movement is reverse lunge and twist. Hold Slam Ball at the stomach level with arms in the shape of an L and feet under hips. Start by bracing your core, send your right leg back and twist ball to the left. Come back up to the start positions and repeat. The last movement is alternating side lunges. Hold Slam Ball with the arms fully extended and feet under hips. Start by bracing your core, send left leg to the side with the ball almost touching the ground. Come back up to the start position and repeat, alternating these movements with striking combinations and the BoxMaster for 4 rounds, adjusting the time between 20, 40, 60, and a minute and 20 seconds. Don't have a BoxMaster? Don't worry, all those combinations will work on heavy bag. Enough talk, grab your boxing gloves and let's get fit. It's time to start. So we're going to start on the BoxMaster. We'll start with the jab and cross. So the first thing we want to make sure we have the right distance. So you're going to adjust your feet, put your hands on 1 and 2. We have the right distance. Now adjust your feet. Then combo number 2, we'll start with the left jab and then cross, which on the BoxMaster will be pet number 1 and then number 2. So 1, 2. If you don't have BoxMaster, you can work easily on the heavy bag. Alright guys, so get ready, we'll start and now. So jab cross, 2, 1, 2, bam, bam. Make sure you guys breathing out. Alright, let's switch. Take off your gloves. Then the first exercise, we'll start with the ball slam, starting with your feet shoulder width apart. So guys, get ready. We'll start in 3 seconds. So go down to your squat, 2, 1, and go. And then ball slam. Down and up. That's it. Two, 1, and switch. Gloves on. Let's go back to BoxMaster. Alright, we're going to add additional 2 more punches. So we'll start with 1, 2. Then from here we'll add left uppercut, then right hook. So 1, 2, 6, 4. Alright, and go. 1, 2, 6, 4. You can start spinning up a little bit. Alright, let's switch. The next exercise we'll be doing jumping jacks. Grab the ball, bring to your chest level, and then keep your feet hip under your hips and get ready and go. Pressing up. Look at the ceiling. Stay with me. Alright, drop it down. Put your gloves on. This time, we'll be doing 6 punches. So again, we'll start with 1, 2, 6, 4. So 1, 2, 6, 4, and then we'll add 3, and then 5. So again, 1, 2, 6, 4, and 3, 5. We'll be working for 1 minute. 1, 2, 6, 4, 3, 5. Alright, let's switch. Take off your gloves. The third exercise, we'll be doing reverse lunges with a twist. So get ready. Hold the ball and the L. So start with your right leg. Step back and twist on the left side. Keep alternating. That's it. We're only working for 30 seconds here. Beautiful. That's it. Keep going. We got 10 more seconds here. That's it. We're almost there. 2, 1, and drop it down. All right, guys, the last 2 punches will be body shots. So that means we're going to work for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So our combo will look like this. Jab, cross, left uppercut, a right hook, a left hook, a right uppercut, a left body shot, then the right body shot. So again, 1, 2, 6, 4, 3, 5, 11, and 10. All right, let's speed it up. Alright, looks good, looks good. Staying with me. We got a few more seconds. Almost there. Alright, last exercise. We'll be doing alternating side lunges. So, I'm going to grab the ball. Your arms are fully extended. We'll start with the left side. So get ready and go down, come back, switch side. All right, so this is our last exercise, guys. If you feel like you can do more, you can easily repeat that sequence, that workout 2 or even 3 times. That's it. Beautiful. Nice. We got 2, 1, and we are done. All right, so this is it for today. Thank you guys for staying with us. I hope you guys enjoyed the workout. Until next time, get fit, get tough, get strong, but don't forget, give us thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channels, and then click on the ring button